What to describe people? There are several ways of describing people in terms of the work they do. The language they speak, the palace they belong to, their family, their communities, and cultural practice. Let's see some of words used to describe it. People found in Rig Veda. There are two groups who are described in terms of their work. The priests sometimes call it Brahmins who performed various rituals and Rajas. These Rajas were not like the ones you will be learning about later. They did not have a capital cities, palaces, or armies, nor did they collect taxes. Generally, sons did not automatically succeed feathers as rajas. Read the previous sections once more and see whether you can find out what the rajas did. Two words were used to describe the people or the community as a whole. One was the word jana, which we still use in Hindi or and other language. The other was wish. The word Vishwaya comes from wish. You will learn more about this in chapter. Several wish or jhana are maintained by name, so we find reference to the Puru jhana or wish, the Bhartana jhana or wish, the Yadu jhana or wish and Shun. Do any of these names sound familiar? So sometimes the people who composite the humans describe it themselves as Aryas and call it their open the dasas or Ryas. These were people who did not perform sacrifice and probably spoke a different language. Later, the term dasha and the feminine dasha come to know who means cells were women and men who were often captured in war. They were treated as the property of their owners, who could make them do whatever work they wanted it. While the Rig Veda was being composed in the northwest of the subcontinent, there were other developments elsewhere. Let's look at some of this.